Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of the Court in NBA 2K. This exciting My Team event challenges players to achieve the highest possible game scores. To participate, you must first qualify by earning My Team reputation. You can gain this reputation by playing various My Team modes or by completing specific challenges. Once qualified, your goal is simple. Score as many points as you can before you accumulate 3 losses, which will end your run for that event. When you step onto the court, be prepared for a challenge, as the game difficulty is set to a competitive level. Every point you score and every win you achieve directly contributes to your overall event score. It is crucial to perform well in each match, as your total score is what determines your ranking. Remember, you have a limit of 3 losses. Once you reach that number, your current King of the Court run will conclude. To truly master King of the Court, focus on maximizing your game score in every single match. Strategic team building is key. Consider how your player cards work together to create an unstoppable lineup. Some players even experiment with different team overalls to find optimal matchups. Practicing your shots and defensive schemes will significantly boost your performance and help you secure those crucial high scores. King of the Court offers fantastic rewards for top performers. Players are ranked on a leaderboard across 4 distinct tiers, with prizes awarded based on your final standing. These rewards often include significant amounts of in-game virtual currency and exclusive My Team items to enhance your collection. Even if you don't reach the very top, simply qualifying and playing 3 games ensures you'll receive a reward, making it a worthwhile endeavor for all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.